Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome everybody to Warsak Engineering and Survey YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss how to convert a whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Before we have discussed what is the difference between angle and bearing and these types of bearing, whole circle bearing and reduced bearing. But today we will discuss how to convert whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. Let's start. We know this system. This is first quadrant, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. North, south, east and west. For example, we have a line A and has a bearing 49 degree, 47 minute and 53 degree. This is occurred in first quadrant. This is in whole circle bearing and we will convert it to reduced bearing. Let's start. First quadrant. For this we have a formula that in first quadrant a whole circle bearing is always equal to reduced bearing, like north 49 degree 47 minute and 53 second east. We have another whole circle bearing which is occurred in second quadrant 127 degree 34 minute and 58 second. We will convert this whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. For this we have formula reduced bearing in second quadrant is equal to 180 degree minus whole circle bearing. For example, 180 degree minus whole circle. We have whole circle bearing 127 degree 34 minute and 58 second. We have 52 degree 25 minute and 2 second. Now we will find in AutoCAD the reduced bearing. The result is same by formula and by AutoCAD. We write this reduced bearing in second quadrant like this: from south to east, south bearing east. Similarly, we have another whole circle bearing which is occurred in third quadrant. We will convert this whole circle bearing to reduced bearing. For this we have a formula reduced bearing in third quadrant is equal to whole circle bearing minus 180 degree. A whole circle bearing, we have whole circle bearing 221 degree 24 minute and 52 second minus 180 degree. We got the reduced bearing in third quadrant 41 degree 24 minute and 52 second. We will write like this: from south to west, from south to west. Now we will find in AutoCAD the reduced bearing. You can see the result is same from AutoCAD and calculator. The result is same. Now we have a whole circle bearing in fourth quadrant. We will convert this to reduced bearing. For this we have formula 360 degree minus whole circle bearing. 360 degree minus whole circle. We have whole circle bearing 322 degree 32 minute and 18 second. We have got reduced bearing 37 degree 27 minute and 42 second. We will find this in AutoCAD. Similarly, DAN enter. The result is same in AutoCAD as well as from formula we have calculated by calculator. We can write the reduced bearing in fourth quadrant like this: north bearing west, like this: north bearing and west. I hope you have understood it. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment. In next lecture we will discuss how to convert reduced bearing to whole circle bearing. Thanks for watching.